In this video, I'll show you how to add friends on the Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1. Go to your user page. From the home menu, select your user icon in the top left corner. This opens your user profile. Step 2. Select Add Friend. In your profile menu, select Add Friend. You'll see multiple options for adding friends. Step 3. Use friend code or search. Enter your friend's 12-digit friend code or search for local users. You can also send friend requests to users you've played with recently. Step 4. Send or accept requests. Send a friend request or accept incoming requests from others. Notifications will appear when requests are received. Step 5. Play together. And that's how you send friend requests on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you. Ciao!